Hi children, welcome to today's session. This is the continuity of arithmetic progressions. Exercise 5.2. Fifth question. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Part 2. 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13, etc. minus 47. See the solution. Let nth term an is equal to minus 47. First term a is equal to 18. D is equal to second term minus first term, that is equal to 31 by 2 minus 18. Do the cross multiplication. We get 31 minus 36 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Nth term of the AP is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is minus 47, that is equal to 18 plus n minus 1 into d. Minus 47. Take right hand side plus 8 into left hand side, it change into minus 18. That is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Minus 47 minus 18 is equal to minus 65. That is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Here left hand side and right hand side both side negative symbol cancelled. Now n minus 1 is equal to 65 into 2 divided by 5. 5 and 65 both are cancelled by 5. Now we get 13 into 2 is equal to n minus 1. 13 2s are 26. 26 is equal to n minus 1. Take right hand side minus 1 to left hand side. We get 26 plus 1 is equal to n. Now n is equal to 27. Therefore, the number of terms in the given AP is 27. Question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. See the solution. 11th term is equal to 38. Already we know the formula for nth term, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In A11, n is 11. So, a plus 11 minus 1 into d is equal to 38. That is a plus 10d is equal to 38. This is equation number 1. According to the question, A16, that is 16th term is equal to 73. Here also we will apply the formula. A plus 16 minus 1 into d is equal to 73. That is a plus 15d is equal to 73. This is equation number 2. By solving equation number 1 and 2, a plus 15d is equal to 73. A plus 10d is equal to 38. By subtracting, we get 5d is equal to 35. Now d is equal to 35 by 5 is equal to 7. Substitute d equal to 7 in equation number 1. We get a plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. A plus 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70 is equal to minus 32. Here a is equal to minus 32, d is equal to 7. 31st term is equal to a plus 31 minus 1 into d, that is minus 32 plus 30 into 7, that is equal to minus 32 plus 210, that is equal to 178. So, 31st term is equal to 178. Question number 9. if the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively. Which term of this AP is 0? See the solution. Third term is equal to 4. That is A3 is equal to 4. Apply the nth term formula. We get A plus 2D equal to 4. This is equation number 1. Again by the given data, ninth term is equal to minus 8. That is A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. This is equation number 2. By solving equation 1 and 2, we get 6D is equal to minus 12. D is equal to minus 12 by 6. That is equal to minus 2. Substitute D equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. A plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. So, A minus 4 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. Here, A is equal to 8, D is equal to minus 2. Let An is equal to 0. Nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 0. Here, A is equal to 8, D is equal to minus 2. Apply the values. In formula, we get 8 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 0. N minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Now, n minus 1 is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 2, that is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. Here, fifth term of this AP is 0 because n is equal to 5. 11th sum. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39, etc. will be 132 more than its 54th term? See the solution. A is equal to 3, D is equal to second term minus first term, that is 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Now An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is equal to A 54 plus 132 because according to the question 132 more than 54th term is nth term. So, A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 54 minus 1 into D plus 132. A is 3. So, 3 plus n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 3 plus 53 into 12 plus 132. 3 plus n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 3 plus 53 into 12 is equal to 636 plus 132. Now, 3 plus n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 771. N minus 1 into 12 is equal to 771 minus 3. Take left hand side plus 3 to right hand side. It change into minus 3. N minus 1 into 12 is equal to 768. N minus 1 is equal to 768 divided by 12, that is equal to 64. N is equal to 64 plus 1 is equal to 65. Hence, 65 is the, 65th term of the AP is 132 more than its 54th term. 14th sum. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Solution. Multiples of 4 between 10 and 250 are 12, 16, 20, etc. 248. Here, first term A is equal to 12. D is equal to second term minus first term. That is 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. Let AN is equal to 248. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, that is equal to 248. A is equal to 12. So 12 plus N minus 1 into 4 is equal to 248. N minus 1 into 4 is equal to 248 minus 12. Now n minus 1 is equal to 236 divided by 4, that is equal to 59. N is equal to 59 plus 1, that is equal to 60. Therefore, there are 60 multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. 16th sum. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. See the solution. Third term is equal to 16. So, A plus 2D is equal to 16. This is equation number 1. A7, that is seventh term is exceeds fifth term by 12. So, A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. A plus 6D is equal to A5 is equal to A plus 4D plus 12. A, take left hand side values or right hand side values to left hand side. Now we get A minus A plus 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. Plus A minus A get cancelled. 6D minus 4D is equal to 2D, that is equal to 12. Now D is equal to 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. Substitute D equal to 6 in equation number 1. We get A plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16. That is A plus 12 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 minus 12, that is equal to 4. Here A is equal to 4 and D is equal to 6. Already we know the general term of an AP, that is A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Here we apply the values in that general term. We get AP is 4, 10, 16, 22, etc. 19th sum. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? Solution. A is equal to 5,000 because Subbarao's started salary is rupees 5,000. So, here A is equal to 5,000. Every year increment is rupees 200. So, D is equal to 200. Let nth term AN is equal to 7,000. A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 7,000. Apply A value and D value. We get 5,000 plus N minus 1 into 200 is equal to 7,000. Take left hand side 5,000 to right hand side. We get N minus 1 into 200 is equal to 7,000 minus 5,000. Now n minus 1 into 200 is equal to 2000. N minus 1 is equal to 2000 divided by 200, that is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. 11th year his income reached rupees 7,000. Subbarao started work in 1995. So in the year 2006 his income reached rupees 7,000. Thank you, children.